NGC TV Live. In conversation with Mahindra Powerol at Bauma 2024. Could you please give us an overview of the product launch?
My name is Sanjay Jain. I am a CEO and business head for the Mahindra Powerol. We are a division of Mahindra and Mahindra, and we deals with the diesel engine other than the captive requirements. We are also one of the biggest brand in the country for the generating sets, which is our Mahindra Powerol is our brand. So as you know, the India is trying to follow the world trend on the emissions, and India is catching up very very fast. And from 1st of January 2025, new norms are going to be applicable for the emission, which is BS5, almost for the entire range of the construction equipment. So, and Mahindra, since we are into automotive and the tractor, and the norms have come up into the automotive much earlier. So we have a technology available with us. Even in our gensets, the norms have started last year. So we are technology is available with us. We have given the prototypes to all our customers. They are testing, validating it, and we are fully ready to support our customers and the country from 1st of January. And I hope this will be a good thing, that pollution is one of the most talked about matter in the world today, and India should catch up, and we want to be in line with the government policies and the world trends. So we are ready, fully ready for it. Yeah.
What's the biggest innovation you've made since the last Bauma?
Yeah, so what we have done is that when these new norms and the new technology comes in force, there is a consolidation which happens in the industry, that because you have to do a lot of investment to meet these technologies. So Mahindra has done all those things, and we have given a very good product to our customer, which is very competitive, which is giving a good emission results as well as the good fuel consumption. So this is what we have given to customers, and we are now a single engine supplier to most of our customers, and they are looking for much more nodes of our engine for their different equipments. So last Bauma was very useful for us, that we could meet so many new customers, display our technology, and this year a lot of our customers are showing our product in the exhibition, so we are very happy with that.
Could you talk to us about the sustainability factor of your products, and how do you balance efficiency and sustainability?
So as a group, we are committed for the sustainability, ESG, and we have a very strong commitment to the country and to the world forum. And so all our products, we are making it sustainable as per the policy. That is one. Secondly, it is much better than our emission norms. If you see, it is even better than the policy which government is giving. And we stop giving the products which is in the non-emission field. So we are promoting these products. Even our plants, they are all green plants. We are going to be the green plant. So Mahindra as a group, we are very conscious about the green environment. And not only the product which we are giving to customers, but in the back end also, these products are coming from a plant which is our green plants. So these initiatives are taken everywhere.
How does Mahindra Powerol envision Viksit Bharat with their line of products and technologies?
See, I always say, when there is a growth in the country, there is a growth for everybody. And Mahindra being a majorly Indian company and having a major share of business in India, so I think that's a very right move, that India has all the capabilities available in the country, talent, resources, everything. This kind of a push from the government for the Viksit Bharat is helping all of us to utilize those resources in a better manner and invest into the technology. So if you get a chance for a business, you can invest. So this is actually a kind of a circle, which if government gives the support, we invest more. If we invest more, new business will come, and the wheel start turning very fast.
How has your experience been at Bauma 2024?
So Bauma is a very good platform where we get a chance to meet all the customers, future customers, show our capabilities, show our technology to the entire world. So this kind of a platform is required when you are growing globally. Now India is going global, so this kind of a platforms are required where you can showcase your technology and product. So Bauma is a very good platform, and we expect many more customers to come to us through this platform.
So the
Yeah.
next Bauma, it would be a
Yes,
more big
or
thing.
much bigger than this. Okay.
Thank
Thank
you
you.
so much.
Okay.
For more such insightful conversations, subscribe to NGC TV Live.